Ooh, that bike looks good. Got an exciting ride today for you guys, and thanks to Keeper for sponsoring today's video. Keeper is the top-rated password manager for protecting you, your family, and your business. 81% of hacking incidents have to do with weak, stolen, or reused passwords, so why make it easier for the bad guys? You know you're not supposed to use the same password for every site, but it's just so easy. Really, who's got time to make new, long, complex passwords for every single site they sign up for? Keeper makes it easier than ever to create strong, unique passwords every time and store them in an encrypted Keeper vault that only you can access from anywhere on any device. And Keeper can even analyze your vault to help you update weak or reused passwords and alert you when a site might have been compromised. And with support for every two-factor method like SMS, fingerprint, or Face ID, it's quicker and safer than ever too. With Keeper Unlimited, you can save unlimited passwords on unlimited devices and autofill all your logins as you go. And Keeper not only safely secures your passwords, but can safely secure your files as well. So let Keeper take care of your password security and sign up with my link down in the description to get 30% off today. Now let's go ride that bike.
What's going on, guys? Motonosity here, and welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited. We're finally starting the Hypernaked tour. I'm here at AF1 Racing, the Aprilia dealer here in Austin, Texas, and the guys over here are letting me ride the Tuono V4 Factory. This is a 2021, and it's the first, well, unless you include the older Super Duke that I rode recently over at Motivation, the first Hypernaked that we're going to be riding, in testing out all the ones that are available to figure out which one I want to buy for 2022. I'm so excited for this because I had such a freaking blast on the RSV4 that Motivation just bought, and I was like, man, if the Tuono is like this but for Hypernakeds, we're gonna have a serious challenge for which bike I'm gonna be picking, because you know I have my preferences and the ones that I figured I would like more, but man did I love that RSV4. So we're gonna be starting out in tour mode just to give it a little test, and then we'll switch into sport mode in a little while. This is the factory version, so we got some extra stuff on here. We got like Öhlins suspension. I think it's got the Super Corsa tires on here. I want to say it's got a different gear ratio. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh no. Okay. Oh my goodness. Y'all, this feels, jeez. This, oh man, freaking nakeds are the bomb. Okay, sir. And I'm in freaking tour mode? It's been too long. This, oh my god, dude. Alright, I've got a lot of first impressions. Right now I'm like not even talking because this is so freaking ridiculous. This is interesting because the RSV4 that I rode over at Motivation, and that's a 2021 or 2022, I don't know, it's the brand new gen. The upshifts felt slow. These feel really quick. The downshifts felt okay on the RSV4, but the upshifts, they felt slow. The ones on the S1000 are just like top tier. I was gonna say, it's been too long for me to put off getting a Hypernaked. I've got an MT09, giving it away, but there's just a difference between your regular naked bikes and your Hypernakeds. And I guess in some people's eyes, a MT09 would kind of be a Hypernaked, more like a super naked. This, as what, 10,077 to 10,000. 1077 cc's is a true Hypernaked. All right, let's switch into sport mode. Oh my god, dude. Jeez, naked bikes, y'all. So like I said, this is a Tuono V4 Factory. A few extra goodies, but for the most part, you're gonna have the same power experience as the regular Tuono V4. Yeah, the freaking downshifts are instantaneous. So smooth. Jeez. Oh. I was actually planning on doing this test ride tomorrow, but I finished up the work that I was doing, and it was late in the day, and I checked the weather and realized that, well, it's 75 degrees right now, and the high tomorrow is 37. So I said, screw it, we're going now, because it's not going to be good weather for at least another week. And I really wanted to get this ride in, and now we're going to sit in traffic. And I like riding nakeds in the city. Jeez, man, they just feel so much faster. That torque will get you. I like riding nakeds in the city because they're just so much fun. Just the nimbleness of a naked. I feel like I'm saying naked a million times in this video, but I think they're just a lot of fun to ride in the city. The street triple that I rode, again, for motivation, most fun bike that I've ever ridden. But a lot of that had to do with the fact that I was riding that nimble bike around in the city, and just like a smile on my face the whole time. This bike right here is starting to have that experience. We do have the you know, the full handlebar on here, no clip-ons as you typically get on the nakeds, and we still do have a little bit of a wind protection, which is nice. A lot of times you got to add that aftermarket if you want anything. It does feel a little bit more rowdy than the RS4, which again tends to be the experience on a naked. What I really liked about the RS4 was that it was, you know, incredibly smooth, while still not really taking away from the raw experience that you get on some bikes. Like my R1 has a little bit more excitement to it than my S1000, even though the S1000 is smoother and faster. And the RS4 just managed to kind of bring both of those into one bike, which is kind of cool. This has a little bit less of the smoothness and a little bit more of the raw rowdiness. I'm trying to jet across downtown so we can go through the little tunnel on the highway on the opposite side. Great sound. All Aprilias, man, they have a great sound. Even stock. A lot of bikes, they just sound like hot garbage from the factory until you put an aftermarket exhaust on them, but that front wheel gets light so quick. Man, it feels nice outside right now. Oh, it's one of the new Jeep Wagoneers. Nice. Ooh, it does have some heat from it. It is a little bit toasty. 3, 2, 1. So I forgot the torque number, but I know that the claimed horsepower output on this is 175 compared to the what, like 211 that they claim for the RS4. Of course they're gonna pull out. That's what she said. Get a little glimpse of downtown before we skirt off to the right for a little side road that I like to take. Yeah, there's so much development going on in Austin. Oh, you are going this way, aren't you? Why are you braking back here? The stop sign is all the way up there. Brakes are nice and solid. And we're done. There used to be a big bump over here a long time ago. Yeah, right there, right where that manhole cover is. Woo! I miss riding through here like on the daily, because I used to work downtown, and I started my channel just commuting. So the first, you know, 3.5 years of my channel, you guys saw a lot of Oh wait, no, I wanted to go that way. You guys saw a lot of that. Pretty much all my riding videos are made to or from work. Woo! Oh, I love this feel, man. And the sound. I can't wait. I say I can't wait. I don't know if I'm getting this bike, but I can't wait to get whichever bike I get and put an aftermarket exhaust on it. Vehicle, mode, race. There we go. Same thing that I noticed on the RSV4. There's not really much of a ride quality or rideability or performance change in the race modes versus the sport mode. It's only in the electronic levels and what's disabled. Oh man, was that a daily 100? For legal purposes, it was not. I gotta say, I'm impressed. Those downshift sounds. This place is famous. It shows up on memes a lot, their sign. See what it says today, tacos, best way to start your next Wordle game. They always have super culturally relevant stuff on their sign. And this bike feels amazing. It's like a little back way. I won't tell if you guys don't tell. You can't do this on a sport bike. I mean, you can. It's just not as fun. Stuck behind a bus.